Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I have featured the Drolet Legend III. I am going to be unpacking the stove today and showing you how your stove is going to be arriving and kind of what needs to be set up. Honestly, it pretty much comes good to go. Inside the firebox, there's just a few little items that need to be attached to the stove. So, we pull out the bag. Here is going to be the blower because we purchased the additional blower option. So I will show you guys that. Also located inside the stove is going to be the ash pan, which just needs to be pulled out. There is like cardboard packaging to hold the fire brick in place so that they don't shift around during shipment. So do make sure that you remove that prior to lighting your fire. And really that's about it. The owner's manual came in there, which we already pulled out. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys these options up close with the plastic removed. Ash pan is just going to be simple door here. So here's the drawer. It's a decent sized ash drawer. And this is the blower option, okay? So this mounts to the rear of the stove, and it is just a standard 110 cord there. So that's what this rear panel on the back of the stove is going to be for. Here at the bottom, you just tap that out to mount your blower package. That's going to be the outside air location on the back of the Drolet. Legs and everything come installed. These are nice little legs because they do have a leveling kit on them, which is super handy to have. It's basically going to be what comes with your stove. The flue collar is already welded on, so no need to attach that. Oh, your fire brick is actually going to come installed on the unit. So yeah, super simple, shipped straight to your home. I hope you guys found this video helpful on unpacking your stove. Don't forget, if you like my videos, thumbs up. Click the subscribe in the corner. Don't forget about the bell, which notifies you of all the latest videos. God bless. Have a wonderful day.